They sent us a little gift and we're finally going to show you guys the goodies we got in here. Wow. We got a ton of nails.
Who's we?
What do you mean, who's we?
This is mine. We can just share. We can have this. It's fine.
Is this what it's like to have a sister?
Don't matter.
Every single product in this box does not require glue.
Yeah. Okay, let me start and be the honor, please, ma'am. The watermelon nails for your toes, because you don't want your toes to look crusty. I'm going to give you these because you're my mother and I love you.
These are matching no glue mani and pedi sets. We got the Color FX by Impress press-on nails in this chrome color. These light pink chrome. I'm really hoping she will give me this too. I'm super excited about these lashes. If you're a girly who's super sensitive to the strip lash glue, these are going to be so perfect for you.
Thank you, Kiss, for sending us these gifts. We can't wait to try.